Whisks. The whisk is a cooking tool that is traditionally used for preparing food by blending ingredients and incorporating air into a mixture. In your bar, most of the time a whisk will be used for ingredients like eggs or cream, and this results in a light, airy end product which adds texture and volume to a cocktail. In this lesson, we'll be taking a look at what whisks look like, the rules for using a whisk, how to use them, and what to use if you don't have a whisk. Let's start with what a whisk looks like. The majority of whisks consist of a long, narrow handle which has a head at the end. This head is made up of a series of wire loops that are joined to the handle. It is the shape of the head that allows the whisk to move the substance you are whisking in a way that lets air into the mixture. Now we can move on to the rules of using a whisk. Before we take a look at how to whisk, it is important that two rules of whisking are explained. First, always make sure that you are whisking in a bowl or mixing glass that won't break easily. We learnt earlier in the course how dangerous glass can be in a guest's drink. Secondly, make sure that the whisk you are using is the correct size for the bowl or glass that you will be mixing in. You don't want a whisk that is too big because you won't be able to whisk at all. In the same way, you don't want a whisk that is too small, otherwise you will cover your hands in the mixture and that is not very hygienic. Next, how to use a whisk. Follow these steps to use a whisk correctly. Step 1. Hold the bowl or mixing glass that you will be whisking in with your weaker hand and the whisk in your stronger hand. Step 2. Place the whisk into the mixture and rotate the whisk quickly and repeatedly in the bowl or glass, making sure that you are making contact with the ingredient. And step 3. When you have reached the desired texture and volume of what you are whisking, stop whisking. Finally, let's look at what to use if you don't have a whisk. If you don't have a whisk, but still need to incorporate air into a mixture or ingredient, a fork will work. While it won't be as effective as a whisk and will take a little bit longer, the gaps in between the prongs allow air to make its way into the ingredient or mixture. Well done on finishing this lesson, and enjoy putting this knowledge into practice.